In this video, I will provide a basic introduction about AMOS, its tools, uh, and basic features. So let's open AMOS. Here is the toolbar. First of all, it's uh, rectangle is to draw your observed variable, and second one is the circle to draw your unobserved variable, and this is the term latent variable to draw latent variables on your uh, unobserved variables rather than observed variables. You can see that here from this struct I will move things from as it is moving all as it is moving just unobserved variables. I will choose first preserve symmetries, and it will move the whole picture. You can see that latent variable we can't write on our observed variables, so always latent variables can only be drawn on your unobserved variables. The difference between unobserved and observed variable is that variables to whom we are going to directly measure is our observed variables, and the variables that are not we are going to measure them directly. These are our unobserved variables. So second thing is arrow. Arrow means to draw relationship between two variables, and this is to double head arrow to draw covariance between two variables. You can see that we can't covariate between these two, as these are different in nature. This is the observed variable and this is unobserved variables. We can draw covariance between only two observed variables and two unobserved variables. You can see that now these are two observed variables and we can draw covariate between them, and these are two unobserved variables, as we cannot draw covariance between them because of unobserved variable is linked with our observed variables. So first we have to remove our this relation, then we can draw covariance between them. This is the real picture. This is to select one thing, and this is to select all the thing, and now we can deselect all the things. This is to reshape your variable size, and you can move the things from here. Select data file. You can attach data file, as I am selecting final data set. Click OK. Data file attached. How how we can confirm that data sheet is attached or not? So we have to go our variable view, list of variable dataset. You can see that here is the list of our variables. So next thing is to analysis properties, from which we can select our analysis that we are going to run, and after selecting these we can then save, and after saving the file we can select on calculate estimates. This will run your file. Then these are the things you can see the things too closely, and this is the basic introduction toward their basic toolbars. In next video I will show how analysis we can run by using AMOS.